Exam Scholar, Real Estate Edition.
Question 1. Which of the following is not a way in which mortgages and trust deeds differ? A. Securities. B. Title. C. Statute of limitations. D. Parties. Answer. A. They are both security interests in property. They provide the legal right to have the property sold in the event that the borrower defaults. Question 2. The statutory dedication process is completed when A. The appointed representative of the city or county signs accepting the dedication. B. The final subdivision map is recorded. C. The dedicated area is completed. D. Local authorities deliver a signed acceptance to the subdivider. Answer. B. Upon the final subdivision may being recorded. If the subdivider has dedicated an area through a dedication certificate and the dedication has been accepted by the properly authorized official, then the recording of the approved map would be the final step in the statutory dedication process. Question 3. When duly recorded in the county where the property of the judgment debtor is located, an abstract of judgment for money awarded by a court becomes A. An involuntary lien. B. A voluntary lien. C. An attachment lien. D. An equitable lien. Answer. A. A lien is a money encumbrance. In this instance, the encumbrance is placed on the property without the owner's consent and is, therefore, involuntary. Question 4. At 12 o'clock noon, Baker made an offer to purchase a single-family residence. He instructed his real estate broker not to present his offer until 6 p.m. By 6 p.m., 3 more offers had been submitted. The real estate broker should A. Ignore the other offers. B. Present all offers to the property owner in the order they were submitted. C. Present all offers to the property owner simultaneously as soon as possible. D. Wait until the seller acts on the first offer before presenting the other offers. Answer. C. The rule of agency is that all offers must be presented to the seller and let the seller make the decision as to which offer to accept. Question 5. One side of a section equals how many feet? A. 43,560. B. 5,280. C. 2,640. D. 1,000. Answer. B. A section is 1 mile on each side. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Question 6. Which of the following is required in a valid homestead? A. Statement that claimant is residing on the premises and desires to claim it as a homestead. B. Statement giving the exact cost of the homestead at time of purchase. C. A description of the property including a description of the improvements. D. Signature of both husband and wife. Answer. A. Any person filing a homestead is required to reside on the premises at the time that he records the homestead and to sign a statement that he desires to claim it as a homestead. The person claiming a homestead does not have to give the cost, or a description of the improvements on the property, and it can be filed by either a husband or a wife. Question 7. The broker, as agent of the seller, owes the buyer A. Only a duty to disclose any item which relates directly to the sales price of the property. B. The same fiduciary obligations he owes to the seller. C. Only the duty to answer questions honestly. D. The duty of honestly and fair dealing. Answer. D. This deals with the responsibility an agent owes the buyer when the licensee is the agent of the seller. He owes the seller fiduciary obligations, the buyer, the duty of honestly and fair dealing. Question 8. Harry owns a building in a commercial area of town. Tina rents space in the building and operates a bookstore. In Tina's bookstore, she has installed large reading tables fastened to the walls and bookshelves that create aisles from the front of the store to the back. These shelves are bolted to both the ceiling and the floor. Which of the following best characterizes the contents of Tina's bookstore? A. The shelves and tables are trade fixtures and will convey when Harry sells the building. B. The shelves and tables are trade fixtures and may properly be removed by Tina before her lease expires. C. Beck. As Tina is a tenant, the shelves and tables are fixtures and may not be removed except with Harry's permission. D. Because the shelves and tables are attached to the building, they are treated the same as other fixtures. Answer B. Common law protects business tenants who install fixtures for their business by treating these trade fixtures as their personal property and giving tenants the right to remove them before the end of their lease. Any damage to the building due to removal is to be repaired by the departing tenant. A licensee who participates in the sale of business property should make known to purchasers what, if any, trade fixtures there are that will not convey with the building. Question 9. A real estate license is A. Constitutionally protected right of the individual. B. Privilege granted by the state. C. Right granted by the Office of the Attorney General. D. None of the above. Answer B. Like a driver's license, it is a privilege. Question 10. If, in a transaction, the amount made as a deposit is not sufficient to cover the monetary damages incurred by a party to the real estate sales transaction, the following party could not file an action in a court of law. A. The buyer. B. The seller. C. A real estate broker acting as an agent for his principal. D. An attorney action for his principal. Answer C. A real estate broker acting as an agent for his principal is a special agent. The broker's powers are limited to acting in the sale of the property. He has no power to file a court action for his principal.
Exam Scholar, Real Estate Edition.